building and ready to be exposed.
Well, it depends on how I'm going to be exposed there, India.
You're the law lady, so you make sure everything is, kept under wraps.
Yes, and in fact, as a lawyer, mitigating exposure and risk is my job.
Right.
Yeah. So, thanks everyone. Hi. I love Thursdays, as you all know. It's like, oh, okay, I know what day it is. If you recall, last week I told you I was going to be doing a seminar related to the city of Dallas. I did last weekend, and it went really well. So I appreciate everyone that attended that. If you know someone who speaks Spanish, we are holding a Spanish speaking seminar on August 15th. I know this is the same day that Bees is going to be, but ours is in Spanish. So if you know someone who speaks Spanish, have them give us a call for that program. That's for the city program we're doing. So the number for that is 469-708-0022. We are still doing many types of work. We do real estate, estate planning, and I can't emphasize enough, a fellow lawyer said, would it be tacky to do estate plans for teachers as marketing? No, it's not tacky, because an estate plan is not for you. There are some documents that are for you, okay? But it's so that you know that your heirs and the stuff you worked hard for, I don't know about y'all, but I work hard. I work very hard. And so I want to make sure that hard work goes to the people I want it to go to. This is especially important in blended families. If you have a step or a half or anything like that, like you're a normal Texan, right?
Absolutely.
You must do an estate plan. The estates code does not consider what a modern day normal family in Texas is. The estates code is for the Leave It to Beaver family.
So are you saying that they would not recognize my stepchildren as being my heirs?
Your stepchildren are not your heirs.
Oh.
Period.
Oh.
Full stop.
Okay.
So, and that's what happens. So let's say I find a very handsome, attractive, wealthy man to marry, because those are the minimum qualifications.
Absolutely.
And he and I get together. He keeps his house that he owns. I keep my house that I own. But we go buy a house together. Right. Okay. The house I owned and the house he owned, that's separate property. I don't have to worry about that. That's going to my kids when I die, no matter what.
Right.
But if I outlive him on the house we bought together, I'm going to own my half.
Yes.
I'm going to own half of his. And then I'm going to split the other 25% with his kids. Now think about this. You're one of his kids. I get the 75%. You get the 25%. Now I go remarry. And I like this husband. Oh, he's so cute. Right? So now I will the house to that husband. So now my deceased husband in this scenario, his kids own a house with my new husband. That is a big N-O.
Wow.
Like the biggest, boldest, underlined, italicized N-O. Exactly. So if you are, if you have any type of blended family, if you weren't married when you had your kid, these are all very normal things that happen every day. I don't judge. I've been married twice and divorced twice. There's, no judgment.
Right.
But I know for a fact you did not work hard and buy that house for someone to will it off to the pool boy when they get remarried. I know that.
That's not
okay, right. Exactly. So, and actually, that's one of the examples I do in my presentations in my estate planning.
We got to get to those. But so you're doing everything virtually now. So
yes.
People are going to need to give you a call.
Yes.
So they can get the information.
Yes.
As to how to get onto your. Is it Zoom that you use?
Yes, we're going to be We're going to resume.
YouTube too, right?
Yes, we have the YouTube. We're going to resume seminars on Zoom. The Thursday night seminar series once a month. We'll start that up again in September. August is a bit of a busy month for me.
Okay.
The presentation I do with the city discusses those things. Then I also have the YouTube channel. It's Cadillac Law. Cadillac in my name has one L. The car has two L's. My name has one.
Right.
Okay, so I have the YouTube, and on the YouTube, I'm actually breaking up Saturday's presentation into smaller bits, so you'll be able to go and see pieces of that as you desire. So the information is out there. Really, the best way to do it, though, is to call my office at 972-845-1200.
Say it one more time, but say it slow.
Okay, thank you. 972-845-1200. For $25, I do a consultation. I did have to start charging, but it's only $25, and I can find out about your family in particular. Find out, okay, what works best for you. How can we avoid your heirs having to do probate? How can we make sure that the pool boy doesn't get this house? You know, what can we do to protect those things? So give me a call, 972-845-1200.
All right. Well, thanks a lot.